Welcome back, Focus Fanatics. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a new feature added in version 7.4, build 13.9.12. We have added prices to prep modifiers. This gives restaurants so much more flexibility when it comes to pricing their modifiers. Our standard modifiers, sub, extra, and no, have always had set pricing options, and in the past we've had the capability to rename those. So if an establishment didn't want to use the sub button, they could change it to, let's say, easy or light, and then associate easy or light with the sub price field. Now we can associate prices on all of our additional prep modifiers. So if we wanted to have a price for easy and sub, we can make a prep modifier and associate a different price level with that prep modifier. I know that sounds a bit confusing, so let me demonstrate how it all works. Before build 13.9.12, we could only assign prices to our prep mods in the menu items. So let's take a look at our salad mods. Right now we're using sub, extra, no, and the standard modifier price. I don't want to remove sub because I want the ability to easily substitute salad dressings for my salads. I also want the ability to add light bacon and light cheese for a set price. If I take bacon, for example, currently we charge $1.15 for extra bacon and add 65 cents to add bacon to a salad. If we look at cheese, we charge 75 cents for extra cheese, remove 35 cents for no cheese, and add 50 cents to add the standard amount of cheese to a salad that doesn't have cheese. But what if we wanted to charge only 25 cents for light cheese or 75 cents for light bacon? Like I stated before, we could rename the sub prep modifier to light, but that would mean we would lose sub across all canvases and replace it with light. We also have the ability to create new prep modifiers. The problem is we automatically assign the custom prep mods to the standard modifier price. So if we added light as a custom prep mod, we would have to charge the same 65 cents for light bacon as we would for just regular bacon. So if I wanted to leave sub as an option and add light, that was no problem, unless I wanted to charge a different amount for light. So let me show you what I mean. If I log in and I ring in a salad, let's take a taco salad for example, and I want to modify it. Let's say our taco salad comes with Italian dressing, but I want to substitute ranch. So I can easily select sub, ranch. So that's why I don't want to get rid of my sub button. And maybe in other items, I can sub fries or I can sub onion rings, and that's going to be an additional cost. So I want to make sure that I can also associate sub with a price. If I hit bacon, it's going to be 65 cents. I've created a light prep mod, and when I hit light and I select bacon, it's also 65 cents because before build 13.9.12, whenever we created additional prep modifiers, it would always associate with the modifier price. In build 13.9.12, we no longer have that problem. If I navigate to setup and go to miscellaneous general, and I select the prep modifiers tab, you'll see a new column here for price number. So like before, I used to be able to create special prep modifiers like light, easy, whatever suited the establishment, but there was never this price number associated with it. So now with light, instead of defaulting to use the standard modifier pricing, I can select price 6. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of easy here and go ahead and hit save. So if I go back into my salad modifiers and I find my salad modifiers here, just do a quick find, and I go back into my bacon, and in price number 6 I put my 75 cents, and on cheese I go ahead and I put my Would we say we wanted to charge 35 cents? No, 25 cents. So in price level 6, I've got 25 cents for cheese, and for bacon I have 75 cents. And in miscellaneous general prep modifiers, I've now assigned light to price 6. So when I go back into order entry and I ring in my salad and I go ahead and modify it, I still have the ability to sub ranch. If they want regular amount of bacon, I can select bacon and it's going to be 65 cents, and I can select cheese and it's going to be 50 cents. And if the establishment decides they want to charge less for light bacon or light cheese, we can now go to modify and hit light bacon, and you'll see the 75 cents, and light cheese, and it's 25 cents. So now we have the ability to assign custom prices to our custom prep mods. I think that this feature provides the establishments much more flexibility with their modifiers. We hope this feature benefits both you and your customers, and until next time, stay focused.